Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 9. Today I will discuss on creative question from chapter 3. Okay, at first let's look at the board. This is the class for the students of class 9, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, topic chapter 3, creative question number 2. I repeat again, today's topic is chapter 3, creative question number 2 from half yearly. This is your lecture number 11 and your homework number 9. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 11 and your homework number 9, and your today's homework will be creative question number 2C. And teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my phone number. Let's start our today's discussion. At first we will read out the question. At first we will read out the stem and then the questions. Creative question number 2. Maisha lives in Sweden at 66.5 degree north axis and 15 degree east meridian. She congratulated her younger sister Maliha, staying in Canberra, 35 degree axis and 150 degree east meridian, at local time 6 a.m. on September 25 on her birthday. In the course of time, Maliha informed her that she is going to visit Sweden on the following December 28. So this is the stem. Now we will read the questions at first, then we will go for the answers. Number A, what do you understand by a solar year? Number B, what is a leap year? Explain. Number C, when did Maisha talk to as per the local time of Canberra? That means we have to find out the local time of Canberra. In the stem, the local time of Sweden is mentioned. Now we have to find out the local time of Canberra. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Number D, will the same season exist in both the places when Maliha will go to visit over there? It will be in. Give arguments supporting your answer. Okay, these are the 4 questions. Now we will go one by one. Number 1, the question is, what do you understand by a solar year? A full orbit of the Earth around its axis is called solar year. I repeat again, a full orbit of the Earth around its axis is called solar year. Number B, what is leap year? Explain. The Earth orbits the Sun 30 km per second. It needs a year to orbit once the Sun. This time is called solar year. That means 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 47 seconds. But the solar year is counted at 365 days. That's why there increases a day every 4 years, and at that time the solar year is counted at 366 days. In that year, February consists of 29 days instead of 28 days. Such kind of year is called leap year. Now we will solve the mathematical problem from question number C. We have to find out the local time of Canberra when Maisha is calling from Sweden at the local time of 6 a.m. In the stem, Maisha lives in Sweden and Maliha lives at Canberra in Australia. Given the meridian line in Sweden is 15 degree east meridian and the meridian line in Canberra is 150 degree east meridian. So both the location are situated in in the same direction, both are in east meridian. So the difference of two places is 150 minus 15 degree equals 135 degree. We know that for 1 degree meridian, the time difference is 4 minutes. So we know 1 degree meridian line time is equals 4 minutes. So 135 degree meridian line time is equals 135 into 4 minutes equals 540 minutes. And if we divide 540 by 60, then we will get hours, and it will be 9 hours. Maisha phoned Maliha at 6 a.m. in local time of Sweden. So as Maliha phoned at 6 a.m., the local time of Canberra will be a plus time, that means more than the local time of Sweden, as it is far east from Sweden. So we will add 6. As Canberra is in the east of Sweden, the local time of Canberra will be more, that means we have to add 9 hours with 6 hours. 6 hours plus 9 hours equals 15 hours. So this is the time, but we know that our clocks are 12 hours of clocks. So we have to subtract 12 from 15 and we will find 3 hours, that means this is 3 p.m. of daytime. Therefore, Maisha phoned at 3 p.m. according to the local time of Canberra. So this is the answer of your question number C. Now we will answer question number D, that will the same season exist in the both places when Maliha will go to visit over there. That means Maliha is going to visit Canberra on 28th December. The question is that in that time will the same season will exist in both the places. Maliha will go to visit Sweden on 28th December from Canberra. As Sweden is situated in the north meridian and Canberra is situated in the south meridian, same season will not be there. That means they are living in opposite poles. One, Canberra is in the south pole and Sweden is in the north pole. On 28 December in the north meridian, that means in Sweden it's winter. On the other hand, in the south meridian it is summer. While December 22 becomes over, the north pole continues to move further away from the sun. Rather, the south pole draws nearer. Consequently, the daytime gradually becomes shorter and night longer in the north hemisphere. Once, when the earth stays at such a place on December 22, the south pole remains most inclined towards the sun. The sunlight falls lengthwise, that means at 90 degrees towards the Tropic of Capricorn this day. On this date, the day becomes the longest and the night shortest in the south hemisphere. So this is the answer for our creative question number 2, and your homework number 9 will be creative question number 2C. Look here in the question, when did Maisha talk to as per the local time of Canberra? And we have solved this mathematical problem here, and this C number will be your homework for lecture number 11, HW number 9. So my dear students, I hope that you have well understood today's discussion. If you have further problem, you can contact me through my mobile number or my messenger. Stay well and stay connected with us. Take care of yourself, watch the YouTube class and attend the online classes regularly, and study attentively. See you in the next class. আল্লাহ হাফেজ।